So at our office last Thursday we had an issue. So we booked a meeting room, and when we went to the meeting room, there were like few biscuits, books, like as if someone just left. So we settled up and we were just about to start the discussion. And when we were just about to start the discussion, this person comes and he says, "I'm sorry, you booked the wrong room. I have a meeting the whole day and I booked it for the whole day. You need to leave." And we were just packing our bags to leave. My boss was like, wait, we booked this room for 2 hours, and we had this available. But the other person was like, no, I booked it for the whole day. I'm really sure. I'm here from morning, no one disturbed, and now you're coming and disturbing. So we double checked the calendar, and it was showing the same room, and it showed the confirmation also. And when we showed this to the other person, he said, okay, let me just double check from my end also. And when he double checked, he came to know that the room number is same, but was the room is on the different floor that he missed, and he was wrong all the time. After knowing this, he apologized and he left. And my boss, he looked at us and he said, see, learn one thing: just because the other person is confident doesn't mean that he's always right. And when you are right, don't back up from being confident. And that was a great lesson actually.